Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram story views after 24 hours. So now if your Instagram story is now deleted and you want to go ahead and still view your story views, I will show you how to do this. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and tap on these three bars in the top right and then go for this your activity. And now if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this option archived. Just tap on it and now you can see this your story archived. And now you can easily go ahead, and so I'm going to tap on this specific story here. Let's say this one. And if you are lucky, you could actually still see the story views located on the lower corner. This won't apply on every story. As you can see, I can see this story views but not for everyone. So go ahead and try this option on your end and see if you can still view these story views on your device. If you are lucky enough, that option is going to be available for you to view, and you can go ahead and view the story views just like that. Let's say I want to try another story. Let's say if we go for this one, and as you can see, I can see this one as well. You can see this. So that's how you can view your Instagram story views after 24 hours. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.